Offered for sale is a 2019 Ford Transit T-350. Cargo van professionally equipped with a Versalift Vantel 29Ne-01 telescopic aerial lift, providing a compact, highly maneuverable, and fuel-efficient alternative to traditional bucket trucks. Ideal for sign companies, electrical contractors, telecommunications providers, security system installers, lighting maintenance crews, municipalities, property management companies, and general service contractors, this versatile aerial work vehicle combines the convenience of a full-size cargo van with the productivity of a commercial aerial lift. Its compact footprint allows operators to easily access parking garages, residential neighborhoods, shopping centers, schools, office complexes, and other confined work areas where larger utility trucks are impractical. Power comes from Ford's dependable 3.7-liter flex-fuel V6 gasoline engine producing 275 horsepower and paired with the proven Ford Select Shift 6-speed automatic transmission. This naturally aspirated V6 has earned an excellent reputation for long-term reliability, low maintenance costs, and dependable performance in commercial fleet service. The flex fuel capability allows the engine to operate on regular gasoline or E85 ethanol where available, providing additional fueling flexibility. The rear-wheel drive drivetrain delivers excellent traction while carrying equipment and personnel, making this Transit well-suited for demanding commercial applications throughout the year. Mounted on the Transit chassis is a premium Versalift Vantel 29Ne-01 telescopic aerial device designed specifically for compact utility vans. The boom provides an impressive 35-foot 1-inch working height, 30-foot 1-inch platform height, and 22-foot 7-inch maximum side reach, allowing technicians to safely access elevated work areas for lighting repairs, sign installation, telecommunications work, security camera installation, electrical maintenance, and numerous other aerial applications. The fiberglass platform is rated for 350 pounds and accommodates one operator, while continuous rotation provides outstanding positioning flexibility and improved job site efficiency. The boom is mounted in a rear configuration and features remote lower controls for safe and convenient operation from the ground. Designed for efficiency and simplicity, the Versalift features a telescopic boom design that allows operators to quickly position the platform while minimizing setup time. The unit does not require outriggers, making it ideal for technicians performing multiple service calls throughout the day. The compact aerial lift configuration dramatically improves mobility compared to conventional bucket trucks, while still providing the working height required for many commercial service applications. The system is non-insulated and is intended for work around non-energized utilities and general maintenance applications. Built on the proven Ford Transit T350 chassis with a 9,500-pound GVWR, the van features a durable spring suspension, hydraulic brakes, a single rear axle, and a 148-inch wheelbase that provides an excellent balance of stability and maneuverability. Supported by a 4,130-pound front axle and a 5,515-pound rear axle, the chassis delivers dependable performance while maintaining the driving characteristics and comfort that have made the Transit one of the most popular commercial vans in North America. Finished in white with a gray regular cab interior, the van is equipped with air conditioning, cruise